You're preparing for your driving test or simply brushing up on the rules of the road, you're in the right place. In this video, we're covering 40 essential road signs that every driver should know. These signs will not only help you feel more confident behind the wheel, but also keep you safe on your driving journey. If you find these tips useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're always up to date with the best driving advice. Let's dive in. What does this sign mean? The correct answer is B. Where would you expect to find this sign? The answer is A. What safety message does this sign convey? The right choice is C, which means dangerous crosswinds. How should drivers react when they see this sign? The answer is A. What would you call this road sign? It's a direction to telephone at level crossing sign. What is the name of this road sign? It's a no stopping sign. How would you refer to this road sign? It's a no U-turns for vehicular traffic sign. Have you seen this sign before? The answer is B, meaning no skaters. Can you identify which image represents the steep hill sign? What does this road sign indicate? The correct answer is B. Can you guess the meaning of this sign? The correct choice is C, which stands for Do Not Drive on Tracks. Do you know what this sign represents? The answer is A, referring to towed caravans prohibited. What name would you give this road sign? It's a steep hill sign. What would you name this road sign? And it's a Do Not Drive on Track sign. What is the name of this road sign? It's a two-way traffic, 3-lane, 2 lanes in the opposing direction sign. What type of road feature does this sign warn about? The correct answer is A. What regulation does this sign enforce? The correct choice is B, which means road closed. Which of these images depicts the passing permitted sign? What information does this sign provide? The answer is B, representing divided highway begins. Can you name this sign? The answer is A. What do you think this road sign is called? It's an electrified overhead cable ahead sign. How would you name this road sign? It's a divided highway begins sign. What would you call this road sign? It's a snowmobile route sign. What does this sign tell drivers? The answer is B. What should a driver do when they see this sign? The correct choice is C. Can you identify this road sign? The answer is B, meaning turn right. Do you know which of these images shows the traffic signals ahead sign? Which group of people does this sign warn about? The sign is B. What is the name of this road sign? It's a turn right sign. How would you refer to this road sign? It's a traffic signals ahead sign. What name would you give this road sign? It's a school crossing ahead sign. What restriction does this sign impose? The correct answer is B. Can you recognize which image illustrates the electrified overhead cable ahead sign? Do you recognize this sign? The answer is C, which means equestrian. How should drivers interpret this sign? The answer is B, meaning keep minimum distance shown. What is the purpose of this sign? The correct choice is A, which stands for tunnel. What would you call this road sign? It's an equestrian sign. What is the name of this road sign? It's a no-stopping sign. How would you name this road sign? It's a tunnel sign. Can you tell what this sign indicates? The sign is A, referring to a truck entrance. What kind of path does this sign describe? The answer is B. What does this road sign say? The correct answer is C, which represents a worded warning. What type of intersection does this sign warn about? The correct answer is B, which stands for crossroads. What would you call this road sign? It's a crossroad sign. What do you think this road sign is called? It's a shared route for pedal cycles and pedestrians only sign. What would you name this road sign? It's a truck entrance sign. Where would this sign be found? The answer is B, meaning caribou crossing. Which of these images indicates the risk of truck overturning sign? Have you seen this sign before? The answer is B, representing a bicycle route marker. Can you guess the meaning of this sign? The right choice is C. What does this sign mean? The answer is B, indicating no stopping ending. How would you refer to this road sign? It's a bicycle route marker sign. What would you call this road sign? It's a drive on the shoulder sign. What do you think is the name of this road sign? It's a caribou crossing sign. How should drivers react to this sign? The correct choice is A, which stands for double curve ahead. What type of road feature is indicated here? The answer is B, meaning side road ahead. Which of these images shows the parking place end sign? What lane condition does this sign show? The correct answer is B. What hazard does this sign warn about? The answer is B. How would you refer to this road sign? It's a right-hand lane of a two-lane dual carriageway closed ahead sign. What would you call this road sign? It's a side road ahead sign. What do you think this road sign is called? It's an electrified third rail ahead sign. And that's a wrap on our 40 essential road signs. We hope this video has helped you feel more confident and ready for the road ahead. If you found it useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the